Well, it's dinner time, and we're sitting here with Graham having a little bit of blueberry buckle. Graham really, really likes blueberry buckle, by the way. Is it good? It is good. I thought so. Well, I hope you're not eating while you watch this, because it's not something you really want to have sitting next to you. But we did take him to a Chinese restaurant. Did you like the Chinese food? He had a little bit of everything. He really liked barbecue pork. He ate some rice. What else did he really eat? I don't remember. It's hard to think about anything else right now. It's not as if he didn't have a spoon, but spoons don't hold enough, and it's hard to... Is that your spoon? Could you use your spoon? Oh, I guess not. Oh, good. By the way, we're having blueberry buckle, which is one of Graham's favorites. In fact, he can't get enough of it. More? Ma is more, by the way. I guess he's done. You done? Graham, are you done? Do you need to get your hands washed or something? Is your face okay? Are you okay? Can you smile? Can you say hi? Can you say, ready, set, go? Ready? Ready? Are you ready? You like having your picture taken, don't you? Yeah. You gonna do anything interesting while we're here? Can you touch your nose? Uh-oh. Can you touch your mouth? Can you touch your eye? You're good. Don't touch your ear, though. You'll get blueberry buckle on it. Okay, we're going to sign off now and get a wash rag. Bye. Say bye. Can you say bye to the camera? Bye. Thank you.